Of course, y'all know how we are when we order on TEMU. We always like, ugh. Handsome. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another TEMU furniture review, y'all. I got an amazing piece from TEMU. Now, if you are not new to my channel, then you know I love some TEMU furniture, honey. Pretty much damn near everything in my house is TEMU, okay? This fireplace is from TEMU, first of all, y'all, and I am absolutely in love with it. It also blows out heat on low and high. Baby, if you're looking for a cute little cozy date with your boo thing, honey, that is like the perfect little setup, and it's very cutesy and everything as well. But anyway, you are here for this TEMU Pet Furniture, y'all. So we have a cat, okay? His name is Jasper. He's very cutesy. You know, he has a lot of personality, you know, but I mean, what cat doesn't, right? But we are in the process of remodeling our home, just, you know, making over our house. And I did not like his old litter box. Like, just the idea of having the litter box in the home, y'all, I was almost ready to be like, okay, Jasper's gonna have to go over to his grandparents' house. So I was like, I know how to solve this problem, because we did have the pet tower, but you know, we had it here by the window, but I just did not like the aesthetics of it all. And if you are like me, that's probably why you clicked on this video, because you do not like that aesthetic in your home as well. So this is the piece that I'm going to be talking about today, you guys. And let me tell you, I was a little skeptical, of course. Y'all know how we are when we order on TEMU. We always like, ugh. But you know, it was not a bad purchase at all. So we got it about, oh, we probably got this about a good 2 months ago. I got it around the same time that I purchased the TEMU couch. And so, you know, just to, you know, change up the vibe, I wanted something that went with the aesthetics in our home. So this was perfect. Okay, so let me show you guys some of the features that I absolutely love in this. And one of them is that he can sit on top of here. I'm gonna make sure I give you guys a close-up of that. And actually what I'm sitting on is actually his bed, but don't tell him, because he'd be a little grouchy. So we don't want to tell Jasper that we was, you know, occupying his space. But this is actually a comforter up under here. This is just something that we added to it. But you guys, you can add whatever you want on top of here, and I absolutely love that. It is very sturdy, as you can see. It's not like it's flimsy or anything like that. But one of the things that I love the most, okay, and this is because I just did not like how a litter box looked in our home. Okay, we have a small apartment, and I just did not want the litter box to like show, because it's black and, I mean, it's gray and blue. Does not go with my aesthetic, okay? So as you can see, I can hide it very well in here, you guys. And it also features this really nice mat as well, that catches the litter when they get out. You know, they like to shake the litter off of their nails and paws and everything like that. So that catches the litter. It's a mat. And then what I love the most, so it makes it very easy, you know, to pull this on out. I mean, you can pull this out, you can clean it out, and it's almost like he loves it, because he'll sit at the top up here and look at me like, yes, you human, go ahead and clean my litter box. I don't know if that's what he is really thinking, but I don't know. Every time I clean his litter box, I always feel like that is what he is saying. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys the actual piece that we got off TEMU and how much it cost, because I was very excited to get this. Everything that I had been looking for on other websites, it just was not the vibe, or it may be double the price. And I'm like, why would I pay this price when I could pay this price? So I'm like, I'm gonna go for it. Y'all know I'm a daredevil, okay? So I went ahead, you know, we went ahead and we purchased it for the home. And you guys, it did not disappoint. The fact that it has that mat there, and then also the mat at the bottom, it pretty much catches all of that extra litter, you know, that your cat may attract on the floor when they come out of their litter box, because they just, I don't understand it. But if there's also a space on the side, you guys, that you can hang. They're like little scooper on the side, or like I guess a toy or something like that. Maybe if they would like to, you know, play with something, you know, off to the side, you can hang, you know, pretty much whatever you want there. But we do keep his little scooper there, just for when we get ready to clean his litter box. Now, another thing that I noticed about this, which is a cat, you know, litter box house, very cutesy. TEMU had it going on with this one, you guys. The fact that it pretty much matches the floor in my home. What? Like, I love that for me. Okay, you guys, I absolutely love that. And the fact that this is very easy to move. You know, that you can just, it goes up and down. And let me tell you, he tries his best to get this open. Okay, Jasper is very clever. And if you have a cat, then you already know. And if you have a tabby cat, then you know. And he's a very, very furry tabby cat. He's a very smart, very witty guy. But so I was thinking, I said, you do not have to just have a cat to have this. If you have a small dog and maybe you want your dog to have their own little space, you can totally turn this into their little doggy condo, okay? You can put something really nice, a little doggy bed up on the top. You can also put a really nice mat or something like that for them to lay on in the bottom, you know, maybe a few toys. Girl, I mean, go all out, put the LED lights on the inside. You know, if I had a dog, I would probably do that. I'm definitely that extra. But he's a cat and he's only in there for a spur moment, honey, if that long. So I was like, you know, this is really cute. And if you had a dog, like a really cute, probably not a dog no more than about 15 pounds, well, about 10 pounds, probably 5-10 pounds at the most, they'll still be able to go in, because as you guys can see, you know, the entrance to it, you can also open that up as well. Like, I guess if you just want to keep it that way and maybe they just want to walk on in, like, you know, this is my palace, this is where I live. I just love the fact that this pet bed from TEMU is extremely versatile. So if you want something that, you know, goes with your aesthetics and you want something that is versatile, then definitely, again, head on over to their TEMU. Y'all know I love TEMU, honey. They have pretty much really came through, honey, when it comes to this new home makeover that we have been doing in our apartment. We have really, like, just been elevating our space, and I am in love. And honey, a lot of that is thanks to TEMU. So if you love TEMU, you love TEMU furniture, you want to know more about TEMU furniture, I just want you guys to know that we are in the process of a kitchen makeover as well, and a lot of the things we are going to get from TEMU. We're going to get a lot of TEMU kitchen, like just decor, TEMU shelving and stuff like that. And we are also in the process of getting ready to do a TEMU bedroom makeover as well. So yeah, you guys, there's plenty more TEMU furniture reviews coming up. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. You know, I do all sorts of home decor reviews and hauls on this channel. Okay, you guys, so that is going to be the end of this TEMU furniture review. I definitely enjoyed this pet bed. Okay, like I said, if you have a cat, it is amazing for a litter box. If you have a small dog, then it is perfect for you too. You guys know us pet parents love to indulge in luxurious things, honey, for our pets. So yes, go ahead and pick this up, and it goes very nice in your home. As you can see, it does not really take up too much space. And if you had company, people would probably just maybe assume that it was like maybe some storage. But I mean, obviously, if your child is hanging out in there, they know that's the pet condo in your home. So that's what it's going to be. But yeah, y'all. All right. Until next time, I will see y'all in the next TEMU furniture review. Love y'all. Bye.